Tajikistan in the blue, Uzbekistan in the red. Nice level change from Uzbekistan. Turned the corner beautifully. He's got to be careful of the reversal here. He's got to stay heavy and drive the shoulder in and square the hips down. Nice back exposure now. Full mount from Uzbekistan. Might be looking for the armbar. Now, if you're Tajikistan, you've got to stack your opponent, try and clear the arm out of this position. Nice work. Tajikistan displaying the necessary escapes needed here in mixed martial arts as he looks for the back. Tajikistan did a good job of flattening out his opponent here. Loses one hook. That's the opportunity for Uzbekistan to try and escape. Uzbekistan looking to try and turn in with the whizzer. That's what he wants to do here. He wants to get to his feet with a low squatted stance and try and force the hands open of his opponent, and then look to turn into him for the whizzer. He's got to protect the neck though. Rear naked choke attempt. He's going to punch the arm underneath the neck. Tajikistan, he's got to get that hook in. You can see there he's trying to maintain that right hook on the inside of the hips of his opponent. That give him better control. There we go. Now he's got the opportunity to be square on the back. Rear naked chokes here. Just going to try and free that right arm. There's a grimace on the face there. Looked like that was tight. Roll through now. He's still underneath the neck. He's looking to squeeze here. Tajikistan, if he can free that right arm, you can see that's why Uzbekistan is holding that arm. It's fully viable to finish with one arm. He's just told the ref he's okay. Because the referee can stop this if he deems that the athlete is going through too much pain and exposing themselves to an injury that potentially might inhibit their growth and their development. So it's really important to have this rule set, as well as our excellent level of referees here and officials cage side, still to maintain the safety of the sport for these young athletes. 17 seconds left now. Tajikistan looking for the armbar. 10 seconds left, clapper goes. Uzbekistan trying to frantically get this arm out of position. He's doing the right thing here with the stack. Looking to sneak the arm and the elbow out of jeopardy. Stay tuned for the official decision. You can see there a lot of the younger athletes as well, a lot more emotional, as kids usually are. It's difficult sometimes to accept a loss, all the hard work and the travel, the pressure, you know, but these are lessons that the athletes need to learn